Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to widen yellow teeth in Affinity. It's a quick and easy one, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. So I've got my image ready right here, and as you can see, the teeth are looking a little yellow. Let's fix that. First, I'm gonna grab the freehand selection tool and carefully select the yellow teeth. Then I'll select the image layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate the selected teeth onto a new layer. This way we are working non-destructively and keeping the original image intact. I'll press Ctrl D to deselect. Now I'll make sure the duplicated layer is selected. Then I'll head to Adjustments and select HSL. Now here's the key part. Since we are targeting the yellow teeth specifically, I'll drag the HSL layer into the duplicated teeth layer. So it's now the child layer under the duplicated layer. Then I'll click the small yellow circle in the HSL dialog box. This makes sure we are only affecting the yellow tones in the image. Now I'll slide the saturation shift to the left to reduce the yellowness. And then I'll slide the luminosity shift to the right to brighten up the teeth. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I'll click Close to close the HSL dialog box. And just like that, the teeth are now white. Let's compare the results. Here's the before, and here's the after. Before, after. Alright, that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and picked up something useful for your projects. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Affinity tips and tutorials. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!